Hi, my name is Ilker. I'm part of PONS.
Hi, my name is Soner. I am the CEO and co-founder of PONS. We are taking the ultrasound imaging to the consumer level so that medical imaging can be performed by anyone and anywhere.
Our main focus is basically helping people who are at higher risk developing chronic diseases, such as heart disease, lung disease, liver disease, and breast cancer. These diseases, one of the major problems is there is no data or available how the disease progresses. And then usually people are admitted to the hospital at a very late stage where the disease is not curable. They are managed at that stage. So we want to change this story so that people don't lose their loved ones to chronic diseases, which are preventable once they're basically imaged earlier. The data in between disease stages, how tissue changes from a healthy tissue to a diseased tissue, is missing. And then one of the main reasons is access to healthcare is very limited right now. Some hospitals or remote areas don't have access to bigger hospitals. Minority communities or people with like low income, they cannot really afford to go back to the hospital for regular checkups. Our technology is basically changing that by performing an ultrasound imaging at the community level, at the consumer level. And this is the only way you can collect this missing data, missing gap in the healthcare industry.
Our long-term goal will be definitely bringing the medical ultrasound imaging to the consumer level. Like everyone will have that at home. It will be as easy as taking a selfie, and then you will not need to go all the time back to the hospital. If we can reduce like 40% of the unnecessary visits to the hospital, we can save up 1 million hours of doctors.
The impact of our technology on the world will be, again, having access to an ultrasound imaging, basically, which is really easy to use, which has no side effects, and then identify these chronic diseases at a very early stage so that the doctors can treat them successfully and nobody loses their loved ones to a preventable disease, basically.